So I decided to make this video because lately things have been changing. I started to think a little bit about life and the meaning of life. And with that search, I came across this video. That was a video of a young lady that looked very happy. She looked like she really found it. I had to find out what she had. I saw the video and I was blown away. This young lady had a sunroof in her car. And I thought to myself, that's happiness. I need a sunroof. So I decided to take the leap and invest in happiness. And I got to tell you, it's the best decision I've ever made. I now am the proud owner of a sunroof. Deluxe model. I went a little bit further than most. It's changed my life. In fact, let me roll my sunroof up right quick. Enjoy the breeze for a moment. Whew, that feels great. It's changed my life. I can do things I've never done before. I can run faster. I am running at top speeds. I'm jumping higher. I feel a lot stronger. I don't know if you can see that, but that's my clavicle. It wasn't there before. It wasn't there last week before I got my sunroof. It's there now. The other day I found $1. I still have that dollar. It's lasted me a lot longer than normal dollars. And I know it's because of the sunroof. I just wanted to share this message with you and encourage all those people who have not yet found their true happiness and let them know that they too can live life like me and the young lady I seen on the worldwide internet and have a sunroof. That's it.